Appetite. Stop back here at the end of the grandstand, get some Washington County Farm Bureau hand-dipped ice cream. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookies and cream, you name it. Get ready to use those wrestling tire earplugs or your fingers because the green is out for Phil Jones on the attitude adjuster. Fans, you definitely see that the right rear engine is getting a little extra fuel, and I don't believe the front one was quite getting enough, but we'll see what he thinks. And I can't tell you much about 24 points because of rainouts and what have you. All we're worried about is how they do here tonight, isn't that right? Smoke car fans, watch this thing. Boy, it's rich. Jason McKenzie. The weight transfer is working well with the wheels off the ground on the sled. He's making a real good run. He's got a leader flag on. There you are, fans. He's our new leader. How about a hand for Len Brookhart? Boy, it is hot enough to fry eggs on every one of those pipes now. Definitely need to get him unhooked and get a tow tractor or vehicle. And Andy's down there, and he's got that hooked up and the dog leash going to that safety cable. And he's telling Phil Jones to tighten her up and Darren Allison to get it ready. Now here's the third and final one, the attitude adjuster, Chevrolet Power. Well, better than the first time. How about a hand for Phil Jones, fans?